are the top 3 ways to get into the Airbnb space immediately starting today, and number 1 is co-hosting. Basically, reach out to someone who's already on Airbnb and say to them, look, I will manage your property. I'll deal with the guest communication back and forth on a daily basis. I'll make sure the cleaners are coming in and scheduled every single time that someone goes in and out of the property. But for that, I'm only asking for 10% of the total monthly revenue per month. Number 2, and that is partnership. All you're going to do is go to Zillow.com, find people that are renting their place, filter it by how long they've listed their property, look for 90 days or more, and then ask them, look, I know you're looking for $1,500 a month. If you had to do no extra work, and literally I could come into this property and anything above that $1,500, we split. Do we have a deal? And number 3 is called rental arbitrage. This is basically where you're going to rent a place, you're going to charge your guests on a daily basis, and the delta between how much money you collect every single month and how much your rent is and utilities, that difference goes in your pocket. Follow me.